To fix login issues on the Goodbudget app, start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. This is crucial as a weak or disrupted connection can prevent you from logging in successfully. Next, check that you are using the correct login credentials, including your email address and password. Double-check that your caps lock is not on and that you are not using any incorrect characters. If you are still having trouble, try resetting your password by clicking on the Forgot Password option. You will then receive an email with a link to reset your password. Click on this link and follow the prompts to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and unique to ensure the security of your account. If resetting your password does not work, try uninstalling and then reinstalling the Goodbudget app. This can often resolve any technical issues that may be preventing you from logging in. Additionally, ensure that your device is running the latest operating system and that the Goodbudget app is updated to the latest version. Outdated software can cause compatibility issues and prevent you from logging in. If none of these steps resolve the issue, contact Goodbudget support for further assistance. They will be able to provide you with more specific guidance and help you to resolve the problem. It is also a good idea to enable two-factor authentication on your Goodbudget account to add an extra layer of security. This will help to prevent unauthorized access to your account and protect your financial information. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any login issues you are experiencing with the Goodbudget app. Remember to always prioritize the security of your account by using strong passwords and keeping your software up to date.